session? Any doubt from any session? Yesterday session, anyone did not understand how to write select command? How many of you have not installed software?
I've not yet installed James.
Can you raise your hand in chat box who has not installed the software? So 6 people have not installed. Others, how many of, okay. So 6 people, 7 people only not install the software. Okay. Pratap, why you have not installed? Rajnish, why not? Rajnish?
Sir, yes, sir. Going to install, sir.
Sorry?
Pratap here. Today I am going to install.
Okay, fine. We install it today, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I've shared the recording and the document. Okay, just try it. Try it. You will be able to install it. It's very easy. It's not so difficult. iPhone 2. May I know your name? Who is
James Siva.
Siva, once again, I told you yesterday.
Yeah, I will change it.
Tomorrow you make it, okay? Or if possible, today only you make it. I'll able to take your name. It's important. Okay. Who is G? G. May I know? Yeah, G.
Yeah, this is Mahesh. Morning I will call you.
Mahesh, please type your proper name, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Showing as a G, you know? Okay. Fine, guys. So let's start with the topic. Okay, so I hope everyone got this one. What, how to write select a statement with where condition? Everyone? Like basic command? You are able to do it? You are able to write it?
Yes, we can.
Okay. So let's proceed further with the where condition. Anyone is having any doubt in select a statement, guys? Anyone? Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Hey, sir, when I practice the select employee ID from which are the employees, where condition, where employees but ID, it shows that that is not found. Why this?
HR schema you have installed?
No, I practice on live SQL.
No, HR schema you have to install in Oracle software, Arindam.
Okay.
Then
Is
only you will
possible
be able to write select a star from employees.
No, in live SQL I select the each of the employees.
Live SQL HR.employees you have to type. Yesterday I have
Yes,
shown
sir.
you. You have gone through the video.
Yes, sir.
HR.employees you have to type. You have to add schema name. HR is a schema name. HR.employees. Then only it will work. Like
Okay.
in when you are live Oracle, if you are writing like this, you have to write select a star from HR.employees like the same way. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Then only it will execute this query.
Okay.
Okay, so you may forget to mention this one.
No, sir. I type the select employee ID from HR dot employees where employee ID equal to 100.
But you have added this HR schema. Can you
Yes,
ping
sir.
me the query in chat?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So what we are going to do? Yesterday we have seen if you run this one, then you will go through. You will find that employees table details. So if you want to apply any condition, no, any filter condition, then you will say that where employee ID is equals to 100, where employee ID is equals to 100. If you write like this, you will be able to get details of where employee ID is only 100. All details you will be able to get it. So when you have mentioned the star, if you want only columns to be shown, then you will say that employee ID, okay, like this, then comma separated for another columns, whatever the column you want to take it, first name, like this, then it will give you employee ID in first name. These two values will give it will give for the employee ID 100. Okay, employee ID 100, these two things will give what because you are passing this only. Okay, now if I want to let me save this one, select star from so if I want to, if anyway we have added here 100 employee ID 100, if we'll have more than 100 if you want to put, then what we will give, in operator will give. Okay, we'll give in operator. Like if I want to find is equals to 100, and then we can't write like this 101, it will throw error. It will throw error. SQL command not properly ended. SQL command not properly ended. So for this, what we have to do, no, we have to remove this equals to, and we have to give in operator. If we want more than one value, no, we have to give in operator and then close the bracket, and then if you run like this, you will get two values. You are passing two values. Okay, so you are passing two values. Let's take a star for all the value. Okay, so we passed two value. We wanted details of these two value, all the details. So we pass select a star from employees where employee ID in means you can pass multiple values. You can pass multiple values. Okay, so if you want to pass one more value, like I want to get all details from three values. So what you write? 102, 102. So you got three values. Okay, clear guys, this one? Yeah, any doubt guys?
Yes, sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, if suppose two conditions are there, so how we rate?
Two
In the
condition
story?
in the sense you want to find two columns value, correct?
Yes, suppose employee ID and salary. Means employee ID is 100 and salary is 24,000.
Then I'll tell you that you will pass like this. Okay, and salary is equals to 24,000. I'll come on
Okay.
that one, but as you ask, like you can ask, you can do like this. You got it? So this both conditions should match when you have when you are adding AND operator. This is AND operator only. What we have learned yesterday. Therefore, yesterday we have learned no AND operator. Both the conditions should true. Then only it will show you the value for this one.
True, right. True.
So when we have both the values are true, then only it will show you the true value. So in which condition? If you'll see here, out of this, no, when we are passing employee ID 100, 101, 102, and salary equals to 2,400. So which one will satisfy, guys?
100.
101, because this condition is true. All these three conditions are true in this case. This one, first operand is clear. But when coming to this three value, no, only one is true. Which one is true? This one. So that is what it is showing, this value only. It is showing as this value only in this one. If I'll make it salary in like this, 24,000 and 17,000, like this, if I'll make it, then it may satisfy all three condition. So then it will satisfy all this condition. You will get all three values. Got it? So we'll come here. We'll come this one. Just hold on. Hold sometimes for this. So as of now, we are working on this in operator. Okay. So this one you got it, everyone? Any doubt in this? Any doubt? So now what we want, no? I want I don't want employee ID. Okay, what I want where employee first name is equals to Steven. Show me that detail. Show me all the details where first name is Steven. So what we have to write equals to and say Steven. It will work, guys. So it will throw
No.
error. It's saying that missing in expression. Why it is saying
100 where equals to I think 100, sir.
No, where employee name equal to Steven.
where F name is equals to full first name. Sorry, I missed it.
First name
First
equal to
name
Steven.
is equals to Steven.
Steven. Then
Okay.
only it will run.
Then it will work. What is saying?
Steven
Invalid
is identifier.
Why invalid? Because it is a string. Okay. We have to mention whatever the string and date will be there. No, you have to mention in a single quote. Numeric value without single quote, it will work. But when you are mentioning string and date, no, like these are the value, characters and date, then you have to mention in a single quote. Okay, so when you'll run it, you will get the details. Steven, 2 person with the same name is Steven. Got it? Now if I'll say that I want more than one name, so what we have to write like this: Steven and Nina. Say Nina. Is it correct, guys?
No, we need to keep that Nina also in single quotes.
Bracket and fill.
Now it's correct.
Bracket, sir,
No.
bracket.
In operator we have to use because more than one value, no? Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
So you got three values. Steven, Nina. Okay. So this is what we have. Now you understood the AND operator. Okay. Now you understood the AND operator. If I'll give OR operator in this case, then what will happen, guys? Now, if I'll run this AND operator, then you got the three things. Okay. So this also satisfy in this case. So what it is satisfying? 17,000 and 24,000. Okay. So that's why it is showing as this one. Like these two values we have passed. We have not passed, like how many are there for 17,000? We have two values for 17,000. So earlier it was showing like when we have passed three values, no, these three values we have passed earlier. So it was showing three values. Now we have passed only two values. So it is showing two values only. If I'll make it OR operator, then guys, it will either of the condition, it will be true, it will show. How many records we can get it? This is just example. We are going to learn AND and OR operator very nicely in upcoming this DDL and DML command. Okay. As of now, I'm showing it. If you'll mention OR command, you will get 4 things. So it will take this also. If it's true, it will show you this also. Steven, Nina, Steven, it is showing as. Okay. And this one also, if it's true, it will show that also. If you'll say anything else, no, then also like say 10,000. 10,000 is the salary, which is not in this list. Then what it will show, that list also it will show you. See, 10,000, how many people are having salary? So OR condition, no, it will take this condition also, whatever the record it will come, it will show you. It will take this condition also, whatever the record will be there, it will show you. Okay, you can do practice. There is no problem in this. Okay, until unless you will not do practice, you may get confused, and I dragged it more. So just do practice, and one by one you can do AND operator Generally we use AND operator only. Okay, generally we use AND operator only. In this case, in AND operator, this Stephen and 24,000 only satisfying. Nina is having 17,000 salary, but we are passing Nina as a 10,000 salary. That's why it is showing as a this one. Okay, only one record. But when you add or operator, then it will take this as a separate. It will give all output of this one, and then it will give you all output of this one. How many possible record will be there? It will give you. Clear, guys?
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Will there be any limit for the number of strings we give in the team classes? Like, is there a maximum that we have to give only 10
Here,
strings?
here,
Yeah, yes,
you
there.
can give n number of value.
Okay.
No worry.
Same for the numeric also, right?
Numeric also you can give n number of value.
Okay, okay. Thanks.
Okay. So now if I'll say that, okay, if I'll say that first name is equals to Jayanth. Will I get the record, guys? Will I get the record? So there is no value called Jayanth here. Okay. So what it will show? It will show you the blank. If it will not match, it will show you the blank. Got it?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Next one is between operator. Okay. So between operator, how will you use it? Not in also is there. Okay. Something we have not in also. Okay. So let's make it, remove it. Okay. Now, if you run this one, you will get 2 record, 3 record you will get. Got it? Now, if I want, Atul, don't do drawing. Okay, if you run this one single query, then what? How many record you got? 3 record you got. Something is first name not in. If you'll add not in, then how many records we can expect, guys? Apart from this, everything. First name not in. Then like from apart from this, we have 107 record. If I
Yeah, exclude Steven and Neda, everything will be.
Steven and Nevan record are there. Two.
so this 2 will not show. Apart from that, everything else it will show.
Yes.
Okay, everything else it will show. See, everything else. You did not get Steven. We have a Steven and Nina earlier. Okay. In the new output, you did not get the Steven and Nina. Just a second, guys. Hello. हाँ सुभाष सर बोलो. हाँ 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 90 डेज का ही नोटिस पीरियड है, उतना देना ही पड़ेगा. तो फिर वो दोबारा कॉल नहीं किए क्या वो लोग? हाँ. अच्छा सुनो ना, मेरा क्लास चल रहा है, मैं कॉल करूँ क्या 9:30 बजे? ठीक है, मैं करता हूँ. Okay, so if we'll run first name not in Steven Nina, what happened, like guys, one student was there in she got 3 months back a job in a very good company with our document and all. But what her husband did, they apply some extra mind. What document we provide, they have not discussed with me also. 9 months she worked some different places, it was very small company, like 4-5 years back. That company is closed, a small company, and they have what, they manipulated 9 months to 2 years, and they have got the bank statement and all somewhere else. Maybe they did not able to find that company name and all. Then they came to know that this company is not there, all these things. Okay. Then she called me yesterday. During call also she called. I called evening time. Why you have not informed me this situation? we could make it one document only properly. So she got this thing, and then I told her to resign it so that they will not terminate you. They will just let you serve a notice period. So she just resigned. So whenever you modify anything, let me know. I'll better than me. No one will give you the suggestion. If you'll do it by yourself, then it will be so difficult. Anything is going, if you are working in any organization 5 years, 7 years, and all these things, that is fine. You are a genuine person. But if you are not genuine person, if you are going with some document and all, please inform me if anything, whatever the modification you are doing in life for the in future. Don't just play bluff and then if they told me, her husband told me, like, if I would discuss you, this would be not a situation. I told, like, we could make it one document only. Why you went for like that? Or 9 month only you could show. Why you made it 2 years like that? So they were in a trouble, and then that is the situation. Anyway, like, but whenever you'll go for the anything, no, please let me know. We will discuss in detail, and then we'll try to solve the any situation. Now she was able to save the job. I discussed, and then it got resolved. Okay, guys. So like this, if you'll make it not in, means apart from this, any other value will come. Up to 105 record, you will get it. 102 record, you got it. 104 record, you got it. Okay. So this is what we are getting it, because Stephen Nina consider 3 record, no? Apart from 3 record, you will get 104 record. Total, we have 107 record. So this is one thing. Clear, guys? This one not in. Can I move to between operator?
Yeah, James.
Where salary between we'll say 10,000 and 20,000. Okay, 20,000.
It will display 10,000 to 20,000.
Whatever the salary range between, no, whose salary will be in between 10,000 and 20,000, those record it will show. 10,000, this record it will show, this record it will show. These are the records it will show. So let's see what are the record it show. So if you'll see here, 17,000, 12,000, 14,000, 10,000, including 10,000 also it is showing. 10,000 also it is showing. Okay. If I'll make it salary between 10,000 and 12,000, let me see 12,000 is included or not. So 10,000 it is showing, 12,000 also is included. Between means equals to like 10,000 also it will show, 12,000 also it will show. Yesterday someone asked me the question. So 10,000 and 12,000 will be included. Both the value range will be included, guys. Clear?
Yes, James.
So like this, if you want to give any range, then you can give it. This is very, you have to, like practice a lot. You have to take more values and more things, and then you have to practice more. I'll share you the query. You can copy it somewhere if you are. And how many of you are making a notes, guys, in a paper pen or something like notebook and pen? How many? Can you raise your hand? 5, 6, 7, 7 people, 7 people, 8 people, 9 people, okay, 10 people. This is very good. 11 people. This is very good process, guys. If you'll hear it, and if you'll be able to write it some, like, all the query you may not get the into the our document, but if you'll see here, you can note it down. No, your concentration level also will increase in this case. Everyone just take a paper pen, sit, and then make a note of it. That will be, like lifelong, you will not forget if you'll make a proper notes. Anyway, you can download the things, and you can take the printout of these things. But whatever the important query I'm writing, no, that you can note it down. Okay, so this is what we have the between operator. Okay, if I'll make it or, then guys, same thing you will get it. Between 10,000 and 12,000. It's not like we need AND operator only. Not or will not work here. Between and will work. Okay, this is the combination. Okay, so next things will be This is done. We have done in operator, not in operator, between operator. Anything else is missing, guys? Yeah, Bankus, very good. Okay, guys, so let's move to next one. This is done. And any doubt, guys? Anyone did not get it? Do you want me to explain again? Let me know.
Urgent is fine up to now.
Okay. Who did not get? Raise your hand. Who did not get? Raise your hand. So everyone got it. I hope everyone got it. Okay, so with select statement, no, with select statement, some optional clause are there. So where condition we saw one clause, where condition we saw one clause, then we can add with the select statement group by clause that we are going to learn in a future session. Having clause we can add, group by clause, having clause in a future session we'll learn. Order by clause also we'll learn in this today only. Okay, group by clause, having clause, and order by clause. Okay, so these are the things we can add with the select statement. We can add with the select statement. We can add these two things, four things. Okay, so where condition we have seen, group by clause in after 2-3 classes we'll see. Having clause also with the group by and having clause we'll learn. Order by clause we'll learn in today session only we are going to learn it. Okay, so just go through this alias, SQL alias. So get the water, just read this one. Everyone read it, okay? Read it and try to understand it, what it exactly. I'll get water till then. Yeah, guys, how many of you got what is alias is? SQL alias means what? Can anyone explain me? Can anyone try it at least?
It is another name
Yeah,
for that
It is?
column or table. Another name. You can
is
just
is a temporary database name.
not in a database name.
Change
We are just table
temporary
name.
change
We are just going
database.
to change here.
No. It's not changing the
No,
database. It's a
actually,
duplicate name, you can say.
We are just copying that data to another.
No, we are not copying data.
no,
We are just giving the temporary name to the column or table.
yes, yes.
Yeah, actually, alias in the sense maybe some other name, but the same person. If we considering the human being, so name is, for example, Raju. The alias in the sense that same person may have called by some other name, but person is the same. So in the same manner, database or the thing will be remain same, and we are going to rename it. That's all.
That's all.
So
Just giving the temporary name. That's all. Temporary another name. The moment you will run this query, it will apply The moment you learn another query, it will go off. I'll explain you from starting, no worries. Okay, so SQL alias is nothing but alias are created to make table or column name more readable. Means what? You will give the duplicate name. If your name is complicated, you will give a duplicate name. Okay, you will give the duplicate name and you will make it more readable. The renaming is just a temporary change and table name does not change in the original database. Okay, the renaming of this column, okay, will be temporary. Okay, and it is not going to change in the original database. What is the original database? You have the employees table is created. This column names are fixed only. Okay, it will not change. The alias name will not change the table name or column name. So the renaming is just a temporary change. Renaming is just a temporary change and table name does not change in the original database. Whatever the table name or column name, you will give the temporary name or duplicate name. It is not going to apply any changes in a permanent database. In an original database, it is not going to change. It is just a temporary name. How you will give your pet a nickname? Like a tiger or something like that, you give the nickname to the your pet, or someone will call you with the some nickname to your home like Chinna or something nickname they will give you. So that is what the nickname for this column or table name also we are going to give in a table. So that no, like when you will I'll tell you that what is the meaning of more readable. It's just remember temporary name, temporary to duplicate name, that's all. Alias are useful when table or column names are big or not very readable. When your columns are not readable, no, like if you'll see here, first underscore name, we can give first name directly, correct? Why first underscore name, last underscore name, phone underscore number? Okay, so these are the complicated name. So we can give directly first name, last name, phone number we can give, or mobile number you give better. Okay, so these are the name we can change it. This name we can change it. So how we are going to change that we are going to see. These are preferred when there are more than one table involved in a query. More than one table means what? When we join, no, when we join two tables or three tables, no, this alias will be very useful that time in joining 3 tables, 4 tables, 5 tables, 6 tables. When you join these many tables, no, that time for the reference purpose, no, this alias will be very important. Okay, so that it will be, you will be able to identify from which table we have to find the column. So that is the different things. We are not going in that joins now, but temporary only will learn it how the alias will work. So general syntax for the column alias will be select column as alias name, duplicate name from table name. Okay, from table name. Another one for the table alias, no, for table alias, select column from table name, alias name. Okay, select column from table name, alias name. So this is the table alias. This will be the table alias. Okay, you'll see the table name, employees, and then you can give the table alias name, different name you can give. We'll see practically and then it will be clear. Let's see. Let's take one table, one query. Okay, so we know that if I'll write select, if I want to get only employee ID, then what we have to write, guys? Can you help me? Select.
Select
Employee ID.
Employee ID.
From
As
employee.
ID.
No, like
From
only I
employee.
want employee ID now. Simple.
From employees.
From employees. Okay, so this will give you the employee ID. You see employee ID is this one. Now if I want to give the alias name, no, we'll say that as EMP ID, something like that. Any name you can give it. EMP ID, any name you can give it. No worries in that. Okay, if you'll give like this, now you see employee ID is here, correct? You check the name, what will it will become? It's changed. Employee ID become employee ID, more readable.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the way. If you'll not mention as also, no, it will work. If you'll not mention as also, it will work. Okay, so this is the way. Next one, like I want to give a first name. First name. So if I'll run it, we'll get like this. Okay, we got the like what name you want to give, guys?
Yes.
David.
First, yeah.
F.
F name.
F name. Like this.
Yes.
Okay, so F name you want. If you want to give David also, anything is fine. You can give it. So David, but David does not relate all the names, no? We'll give F name only. So F name represent full name. We can get separate column also like this. 2 times also we can get the column name. So in this, it will not apply alias name. In another where we have mentioned, it will apply. Like see. So this is our original column. Okay, this is our original column. It is original column. This is the alias column. This is the alias column. So you see, alias column is having also EMP ID second time. First name here, and then F name, this one. Okay, so original table, it is not going to change anything. Original table, it is not going to change anything. Got it, guys? Alias clear?
Yes.
Who did not get it? Raise your hand.
Can you show the real table? It will be the same name.
Same only. Real table is this only, employee ID. First name.
Okay.
You want to see? See here. We have taken from employees, no? Observe here. It is not going to change anything. It's same only. This is just a temporary. This is just a temporary name. That's all. You run it. This is for the valid for this query only. The moment you will run another query, that will go off. Now see, nothing is there. Clear, guys? Who did not understand, raise your hand. I'll explain it once again. Who did not get it, raise your hand. No worries, guys. No, not thinking much. So 5 people raise hand. Siva, you did not get it?
Yeah, I
Can you
understand.
explain once again, sir? Once again.
Okay, once
In the
again.
temporary side, I understand there is temporary side. Not to change anything and not affect the original.
Your voice is very low.
Yes, can you explain one second? Wait. I
Yeah,
understand
I'll
that
explain.
it's a
Once again,
temporary.
I'll explain. No
Yeah.
worries. Guys, who has not paid fees, guys? Pay the fees. Okay. I have said in the group, whoever not paid fees, pay the fees. Okay. We are going to complete it. Please, that will make me more energetic. Okay, guys. So let's take this SQL alias. Okay. Class fees is 10K only. Don't confuse with that. And you don't have to send anywhere else. My Google Pay number, Phone Pay number, I have said in the group only, from there only. No need to contact anyone. No need to send anywhere else. Only me. Okay. So SQL alias is nothing but it's a temporary name. Okay, it's a temporary name. You're going to rename a column name. You're going to rename a column name to new name. You are going to give your column, this original column, to some temporary name. Okay, and this will be valid for this query only. This will be valid for this query only. So the general syntax is this one. General syntax is this one. For the column alias, table alias syntax is this one. Okay. So what I have done, no? If I want to give, select salary, if I'll take original column from employees. Okay. So what we'll get, guys, in this case, we'll get original columns.
Yes.
We got the original columns. So we got the original column. Got it. So this is the original columns. We got it, salary. Now, if I want to give the alias of this, what you want to give? As SAL, I'll make it.
Sal. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what it will do, guys? Arindam, what it will do? Arindam, what it will do? Sorry.
As a SL. It's just rename salary as a SL.
Yeah. Arindam, can you tell?
Okay. It's the original file and what I have put in.
Sorry. Try it.
Just salary. Okay. Found the
Change the salary as a
look at
salary.
the employee ID,
What
right?
you get.
No, this query I'm saying this query.
EMP Sal, sir.
No, let Arindam to answer it. This one, this dark one. I'm not talking about this one. This query. Arindam, can you reply?
Yes, sir.
You did not get it? Try it. There is no harm in trying. Correct. Try it.
What I have to found
Salary
from the original
as
file.
sal it will print. This is the original column. I have not run this query. If I'll run it, you got this one. Now you explain me.
Please tell me from the
Try Arindam.
from the employee ID, right? Employee ID.
This is not employee ID. It's a salary column, Arindam. Salary column, we have no salary here.
Yes,
You want
sir.
to take employee ID? Okay, take it employee ID only. Practice mode, okay? Salary employee ID. Initially, it will be a problem. Now I have not given any alias name. I have not given any alias name. I have given only employee ID. Okay. I want to give temporary name. Arindam, tell me what name you want to give here. Employee ID.
EMP ID. EMP ID.
EMP ID.
EMP
Correct.
ID. Yes.
EMP ID. Let's give this one. So what it will print? This will be renamed to this one.
Yes,
Temporary only.
temporary.
टेम्प्रोरी इसका नाम चेंज होगा एम्प्लॉय आईडी से ईएमपी आईडी होगा, बस उतना ही है. डेटाबेस में वो ओरिजिनल टेबल आपका ये रहेगा, एम्प्लॉयज टेबल ही. दिस वन ओनली इट विल बी ओरिजिनल टेबल. इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज योर डेटाबेस. इट्स अ टेम्प्रोरी. दिस इज टेम्प्रोरी.
Yes, sir.
गॉट इट अरिंदम?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Sir, instead of employee ID, you can take salary, sir. Now tell me, sir.
Yeah. You
Okay.
want another column, another salary column? Take salary.
Yes, sir. Here, select employee ID is there, no, sir. Instead of that, you have to take column as a salary.
I have taken this salary. Okay. This one. Is it okay?
Sir, for salary, we can write the EMP salary also.
Like this. Okay, clear? You got salary?
Yes, sir.
Now what you want to give the temporary name? As
Alias
EMP
SAL, SAL.
SAL you want to give. What it will print?
It will print SAL.
SAL only. Correct. Perfect. This SALRE salary will change to SAL. Got it? Clear? Arindam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's in spite of the salary, it's print only. Yes, sir.
Now anything you want to give. Salary, like this you give. Whatever you name you give. It will take that name only. Randomly you anything you can give. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, anything you can give. Can you see? It will take temporary. This is temporary only. The moment you will run another query, another query, that will go off. You see, salary only, salary column only. But whatever the name you will give here, employee salary. Like this also you can give employee salary. So you got employee salary. Whatever the name you want to change, change it. Okay. So
Okay,
now
understood.
next one is table name. Okay. Table name, table alias. So whatever the alias you will give, no, it will take, but as will not work here. Okay, like I have given EMP. Okay, EMP, employee new will give. Employee new name, something like this I'll give. But this name you will not able to see anywhere. But it will change. You will not able to see anywhere in this one. Because your in random case also, when you will run this query only, when you will run this query also, you are not able to see anywhere your table name. Correct. You are not able to see anywhere this table name. This table name you are not able to see anywhere. So that's why when you will run this one also, you will not able to see anywhere this name.
Then what is the use of this command?
This will be used when you will use joins, no? Joins. Okay. Joining 2, 3 tables, 5 tables like that. Join 5 table. Join 5 tables. That time it will be of use. And that we are going to learn in joins table. I'll show you one sample query. Don't get confused. I don't want to show, but like many people, you may understood, and someone if will not understood, that is also fine. Consider that this is the one query. Okay. So how many tables are there in this? Now if you see here, so see, this is the from table, inner join. This is the joining. We are joining 2 tables here. Then we are joining 3rd table also. We are joining 4th table also. We are joining 5 table also. We are joining 6 tables. So total we are joined 6 tables in this one. So, but if you'll see the column name, no, what we have mentioned, e.employee ID means what? E is the alias name for this table. E is the alias name for this employees table. E. Can you see? E.
Yeah.
So when you will take e.employee ID, no, it will refer to this table only. This employee ID, it will print from this table only. It will not go other table. It will take from this table only.
Jayant, here is alias or it's a schema?
It's a alias. E is a alias, table alias this is. And when you are printing e.employee ID means this column, no, it should take from employees table only. It should refer to this table only. That's why you are mentioning e.employee ID. Clear, Arindam? Arindam?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So,
Is here is a alias. Is a alias.
Let's remove this all. Okay. Okay, on condition I missed it. We are going to learn 5, 6 table how to join it. Now see this e.employee ID from employees table. This d.department ID from where, guys?
Department.
Department table. So this D will refer to department table.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So that's why it is showing department ID from department table. What about this column, guys?
Department name. This is an inner join between department ID.
Okay.
In that department table only, it is getting the department name.
Okay. So,
manager ID. So this join is known as self join or inner join.
No, whatever it may be, but we are just referring the table alias. So what is the meaning of table alias? We are giving the new table name. When we'll use joins, no, that time it will be more useful like this.
Yes.
Okay. Now also, like if you'll give the table name, you can give short form E also, like this. Only E you will give. So in this case, it will work like this also. Employee ID. Okay. Employee ID. If you don't understand, don't stress too much. This we are going to learn in joint chapter also. It will be very clear. And when you'll do practice, 100% it is going to be clear. No worries in that. No worries. So if you run this, you will get employee ID. See, it is working. So now, if single table also, no, like this also you can take it. E dot employee ID. E dot employee ID, like this. So what it will do, this will refer to this table only. But it's a single table, no need to refer. Without this also it will work. With this also it will work. But if you remove this, it will not work. It is working. Okay. Column ambiguously defined. Okay. Column is defined like they know definition for this. This two columns are there in department employee table. No, employee table also this is there. Department ID is there, and in department table also department ID is there. So Oracle got confused, and it is saying that you please define it properly. From where you want, from employees table you want, or from department table you want. कहाँ से चाहिए आपको भैया? So that is what we are having. Rakshanda, got it? I've used Hindi also for you.
Sir, I'm not getting, sir, this, how confused in this.
This you don't worry on this. Okay, don't worry on this. Now this one you got it. This one you got it. We can give the table alias. Column alias you got it.
Yes, sir. But
Yes, sir.
joint alias, joint alias is.
Join alias you forget it. Whoever understand that is fine. If you have not understood, that is fine. Perfectly fine. We are not going to learn now. Join alias we are not going to learn now. That's what I do not want it to show. Okay. Now column alias clear. Column alias clear.
Clear, Jim, clear.
Yes, sir.
Everyone who did not understand column alias, raise your hand. Just a second. Let me lower the hand.
The message
Now you raise your hand. Who did not understand column alias? Krishna. Okay. Mansa. Okay. 2% did not get it. Okay. Mansa, where? What is the problem you got in column alias? Like simple will take, select first name as F name from employees table. This you got, Mansa?
Yes, sir.
Then why you raised hand? Okay. This one you got it, no? What is this?
No.
Okay.
Yes, sir. That one I got it.
Krishna, you got it?
Fine, sir. But
table alias I'll explain. No worries. I'll ask separately. Krishna, you got it? Krishna, you got it. Initial 3-4 classes, you people will struggle. I agree that. Next week onwards, you will understand properly everything.
Sir, my system is not installed in the Oracle SQL in software. How to download that one? Practice purpose.
We'll ask Vishal to take one session. How to install? You try with my video and document.
Yes, sir. But it's no, I'm not getting in.
This is office laptop or home laptop?
No, home laptop.
What is the Windows 64-bit?
Yes, sir. In Dell.
Okay, Dell. Okay, fine. So we'll take tomorrow afternoon one session we'll take for the installation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Make sure that your fees should be clear. Okay. Then it will be good. Vishal will be able to help you on that. Okay. So first name as F name from employees. So you got it, this one. Next one is like, if I'll give this alias name E, how many of you got this table alias? How many of you have not got it? Raise your hand. This table alias, how many of you did not get it? Sasi, yeah, what is the dot, Sasi?
Sir, I didn't understand the E dot and D dot.
And that is fine, that you forgot. You got it, this temporary name we are giving to employees table, this one? This
Yes,
you
sir.
got it? That
Yeah,
is
got
fine.
it, sir.
No worries in that one. That we'll discuss in join.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so only one person raise hand, table alias.
Sir, I also want to know
Hmm.
what is the difference between table alias and column alias?
You tell
I'm
me.
confused about that.
No, you tell me, you try. What is the difference between column and table? What is the meaning of column and table? You tell me.
Column is a part of table, I think.
Yeah, so what we are going to give a column alias and table alias? You tell me the difference.
Actually, I am confused about that.
No, you
That's
try
why.
it. No, until unless you will not try, how will you learn it? Nickname we are giving, duplicate name we are giving to this column name. These are all column, correct?
Correct.
This is the employees table. This is the employees table. This is the employee table, and these are the column above one. Employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, hire date, job ID, salary. These are the column. You got it?
I got it. Got it.
This is the column, and this is the table name.
Yes, right.
Okay. If I want to take simple employee ID column, okay,
Okay,
I'll run like
I
this.
got it.
Like
I
this.
got it.
Now,
We are
if
just changing the name of column as well as table. In table alias, we are going to change the name of table, right?
That's all. That only
This
you have
is
to
the
do.
employee
Nothing
table,
else.
so we are changing the name of employee table, and in table, if we are going to make any changes, means the name nickname. So call nickname of the column like salary, so it's a SAL like that, right?
Yes,
Okay,
perfectly.
I got it.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah. See, we are, yeah, Krishna, you are middle of class, you are dropping message. What about placement? I explain, you asked so many questions in demo class, correct? Krishna?
I'm not asking.
No, like someone dropped in message, Krishna. Whose number is this? I'll tell the last number. Last number is 3148. Whose number is this?
Not mine, sir.
Okay, some other person, then other Krishna is there. Okay, maybe two Krishna we have. Okay, guys, so let's move to the next topic.
Jane, sorry for the interruption in the middle of the class.
Yes.
Can I able to install the Oracle in MacBook Pro?
Sorry?
Can I able to install that Oracle in MacBook?
Notebook.
No, not notebook, Mac.
Mac you will be able to install, but the what processor you have in MacBook?
It's M1 latest version.
AMD
M1
processor. I mean, like we'll have Windows and this one, no? AMD processor. Out of that processor, I'm asking.
Processor is the latest one only. I need to check it once.
You go in a properties, my computer properties, and there it will show you that if it's a Windows, then you will be able to install. If it's AMD, you cannot do it.
I think it is AMD.
It's AMD.
Yeah.
Then you can't install. You have to do practice online only.
Okay, fine. Then.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
ना MacBook के लिए, Windows के लिए.
Sorry.
Apple, sir.
Oracle. When I was install Oracle on my computer, then they will give the options also, Windows or MacBook or Linux.
Yeah, it's there, no? for Windows you want, or Linux you want, or MacBook you want, there is a option is there, and we have one video for MacBook that is from someone else. Okay, so we'll refer you that also. Ping me
Can you
what in
share that
group. Sorry.
video? Can you share that video link? Yes.
Yeah, I will share it. Okay. So MacBook is very challenging to install, but you can try it. If you will not, then practice online.
Yeah, I will do that.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So next topic will be, just try it. Very easy. This is very, very easy. Initially, I struggle to explain people, but it's very easy. When you write it, no query, you will be able to get it in 1 second only. 10 second only, you will be able to get it. How much I have wasted my energy? That much you will not never waste on this learning also. Try it, run it. You will get it definitely 100%. 100%. Everyone will get it. Okay, next one is SQL alias. Okay, so what is alias? And this is done. Okay, order by clause. Just read this one. Everyone read it. Alias always, initially people will struggle, but when you'll,
Hello.
yeah. Okay, guys. So order by clause, no? Anyone understood what is this? Can you explain?
Yes, sir. Order by clause means it is only, I think, ascending order and descending order. If we didn't inform anything, by default it will take ascending order. Otherwise, if we have to command there descending order, then it will sort by descending order.
Yeah. So increasing or decreasing order. If you want to arrange your data in increasing or decreasing order, simple increasing or decreasing order, then you use order by clause. See this is the command. Okay, order by clause. Now if you see your table, so how the data, this one, if you'll see, it's in increasing order. Okay, the one by one it's increasing 100, 100 and 200 and 3, all these things. So this is the increasing order. Okay, if you want, you can make it decreasing order also. Means you maximum you will get first, and then it will go opposite way also. Okay, so this is the things we can do it by order by clause. Order by clause. The order by keyword is used to sort the result set in ascending order. Okay, in ascending order. Okay, or descending order. Order by clause, order by keyword is used to sort the result in ascending or descending order, or descending order. So order means you will talk sometimes, no, like, can you keep the things in order by? Okay, can you come in order by? Sometimes people will use this word also. Same thing, this is also order by only, increasing or decreasing. You are arranging the data in increasing or decreasing order. Okay, so the order by keyword used to sort the results in ascending means increasing order. Ascending means increasing order. Descending means decreasing order. When I have learned, no, that time also I was struggling with ascending order and descending order. I mean, like, I was getting confused. Means ascending order, increasing order, and descending order, decreasing order. Okay, so this is normal. If you'll get confused also, okay, if you will confuse also, no worries. The practice will make you perfect. Okay, practice will make you perfect. When you practice more, you will be able to understand. And you have to remember all the SQL part. Whenever the interview will be there, 1 or 2 times you have to refer all the things. Like, you have to keep remembering the things. You may forget the things because it's easy, no? You may forget the things easily. The order by keyword is used to sort the result set in ascending or descending order. The order by keyword sort the record in ascending order by default. Okay, the order by keyword sort the record in ascending order by default. By default, it will sort the record in ascending order, in increasing order, no? By default means automatically you will write, no, select whatever the query you will write, it will automatically, by default, it will arrange your data in ascending order. It will arrange the data in ascending order. And if you want to arrange the data in a descending order, then you have to mention this. Okay, to sort the record in descending order, use the DSC keyword. You have to use DSC keyword. General syntax of this is select column 1, column 2 from table name, order by column 1, column 2, ascending or descending. What you want, you can use it. So this is the syntax. This is the general syntax. To if you want in ascending order or descending order, you have to mention order by after table name, order by column 1, column 2, ascending or descending order. Ascending order is an optional, okay, is an optional parameter that is used to sort record in ascending order or increasing order. You can say, or increasing order. Simply, you can remember ascending means increasing, descending means decreasing. Okay, DSC is not optional parameter, that is used to sort record in descending order or decreasing order. Decreasing order. Same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in ascending order means increasing order. Okay, increasing order. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, 1. It will be in a decreasing order, descending order. You can mention same thing, increasing order or decreasing order.
So decreasing you have given, it is not an option. Is it not an option? Means
this one, descending, I have mentioned not an option. Descending, if you want to decrease data in a decreasing mode, no, descending order, then you have to mention the order by column name DSC. We'll see that one by one. Okay, now consider that let's make it very easy. Okay, let's make it very easy. Let's remove this one. We are having select star, select salary, will take it, salary from employees. Correct, guys?
Yeah.
Correct. Correct.
If you'll see here, this is randomly because whatever the value we have employed, because of that only it is sorted out. If you want to order by ascending, then what we have to mention? Order by ascending, order by salary. That's all we have to mention it. Order by salary, if you will mention, no, it will take it as a ascending order, increasing order by default. Let's observe this one. Can you see, guys? Is it increasing?
Right.
Yes, sir.
It is increasing, no?
Yes.
Let's save this one. We'll compare later. If I'll make it DSC, then
Decreasing order.
so it is coming like this. Maximum first, then it is keep on decreasing. Can you see, guys? It's decreasing.
Yeah, correct.
Yes, sir.
So this is what we have, the order by clause. That's all. Very simple. Clear? Anyone did not get it? Tell me. Anyone did not understand? Always
Yes,
this chapter takes time. Tell me what?
Can we have like select name and salary by descending? Like will not mention the salary.
Here
in
you
select
want to
query.
mention 2 column, 3 column?
No, only name in select query. No salary.
First name?
Yeah.
It will arrange according to the whatever you pass here. Now see, it is arranging according to what you pass here.
So is it mandatory to the same column name should be there in the both, like in descending and the select, like salary we have given, right? Right.
No, salary we have given. So because of this, see, this is fixed for one column. If you have employee ID 100, so this value will be stick with this one. It's got fixed with this employee ID 100. If it will go down also, it will be same only. This column, this record, no, row value will be same only for this all. This order name and all will not go up and down with this thing. It will be same only. This 100 and ID is having a split, whose employee ID is 100. His first name is Stephen. His last name is King. His email is King. This is fixed only everywhere, all the values.
Okay.
You got it, my point? I'll show you one thing. Employees take dot star. Okay. Got it now? So everywhere is this column value is same only. If you'll mention up and down, no, first name and all, it will not change. Now this value is as per the descending, as per the descending. So you observe, no, 100 is having Stephen, King is King. Okay, and the value is 24,000. If I'll make it DSC, what value you'll get? Just save this one. So this is above one. Okay, if you'll go down, Stephen, King is King, 24,000. Same, no? So this row value will be same for all the column. It is not going to flex here and there. It is not going to change. Okay, guys, what we'll do, no, we'll discuss this one tomorrow in more detail. Okay, as of now, you don't get confused. We'll discuss in more detail. People getting delay. So what I'll do, no, tomorrow I'll make class from 7:45. Is it okay, guys? Everyone?
Yes,
Who
it
have
is
to
okay.
raise your hand. 7:45. 2 participants raise hand. 7:45. What is the problem? Sasi?
No, sir. No problem.
I told who will have problem, raise the hand. Okay, no one is having problem?
Sir, I may start getting it because returning from the office.
So what time you are coming back? 7:45, 15 minutes back you can't join?
Yes, sir, after 8, no problem. You can start the class anytime.
Yeah, 5-10 minutes anyway, 5-minute delay I'm making it. Okay.
Okay.
So 7:45 will start. Okay. Arindam, you be in a call.
Okay.
Your query, no? What was your query?
Yes, okay. Sir, I already shared in the chat also.
I have got it. So this one.
Yes.
This is your query. Other people, if you want to be in call, be in call. If you are getting late, you can drop off. So Arindam, your query is this one, correct, Arindam?
Yes, sir.
So you were trying in a online one, no? Oracle
Yes.
SQL Live.
Yes.
Now you see here, we'll paste it here. Okay. Select. So HR.employees, everything is correct. Employee ID from HR.where employee ID is equals to 100.
Sir, collect from the HS schema, right? From the HS schema?
HR schema. HR, when we are mentioning here HR dot, it will refer to HR schema only.
Okay.
Got it. Now you see here, value is coming.
Okay. Right. Okay.
Okay, like this, you write it all the query, you will get all the answers.
Okay.
And you are not able to install the software.
No, sir, I didn't get the time, but like SQL, I will practice it. No problem.
This live SQL you are able to practice, no?
Yes, yes, yes.
No problem.
No, sir.
Anytime problem, let me know. We'll install it. Okay.
Of course, sir. Of course.
And what happened? Like you have sent. Okay, guys. Bye, everyone. Take care. Bye, everyone. We'll meet tomorrow, 7:45.